Very good afternoon. I am Shivashankar. Today we have discussed about NVH analysis in automotives. Today we have seen what is noise, what is vibration, and what is harshness. What is the classification of NVH, and we have seen about the apparatus used for finding the noise and vibration, and we have discussed with the types of NVH, like model analysis, order analysis, FRF, and PSD, etc. And difference between exterior NVH and interior NVH. And also we have seen a demo video about the NVH analysis in automotives. So many things we have discussed in today's session. Thank you.